Welcome to Power Plays Palace, man. Welcome to another beautiful day. It's Friday, raining outside, but we here. Let's just get straight down to the chart. See what we got here. Y'all see that red up there? I want y'all to see that red over there. See that red, real good. That spy yesterday. That spy yesterday. Red. That line should be blue. So that spy yesterday. It came in, opened up right here at about 693, 693.29. All right, and then it go all the way down to 684.35. Back up to 689.10. Then it goes down to 684.73. Back up to 689 again, and then it kind of consolidate for the rest of the day in that area. So let's look at the chart from yesterday. So we said the breakout long, we can cross that area out and I need to go in there. Entry around 693.40, 693.80. Stop above 694. Target 692.80, 692.38, 691.20. So it looks like that side was in play, and it went down a lot further. Um, hey man, if you played puts, man, you did well, and we can look at SPY, see what it did so far this morning. Pre-market, I had set the pre-market, but look what it's done since then. It's back down near yesterday's low. It truly is. So it look like so far this morning the sellers are still in control for a brief moment. You never know what could happen. But if it touches off yesterday's low and it doesn't go below that, then you could be looking at something else. So as of right now, look like the sellers in control, pre-market. So we'll see what happens. Let's look at the chart today. Spot on messed around with my put side already. You see that over there already. It already done jumped on the put side and went down from where we had the market set up at. So let's take a look at it. And I'm gonna have some numbers. I'm gonna give y'all some more numbers to go with that. So right now, what we're looking at is a situation where SPY has started this morning and it pulled back, from yesterday. But if it's able to reclaim the highs and start to work its way back up, you can look for an entry around 689.05 to 689.50 with a stop below 687.90. Target 690.50, 691.8, and 693.33, which was yesterday's high. But that's if buyers continue to push up. Now where SPY currently is, um, I'm looking at an entry that if it can reclaim 685.40, 686, and hold up there with a stop below 684.20, you can be looking at targets at 687.20, 688.50, and 688.95. And those targets right there are based on where SPY currently is. I know it's not on the chart, but if you can hear me loud and clear, you know. And that's based off where SPY currently is. And with SPY rejecting where it is right now, the entry that I had for 688.50, 689 with the stop above 689.90, down to 687, 685.38, and 684. 35, which is yesterday's low. As you can see on the chart, it currently is in that area. Oh man, it's pushing below that. It's still the pre-market, y'all, and it's already broken below the previous day's low. So that's not a sign of a lot of strength. And as you can see, it is still pushing down, and it's just broke below a previous day low from another day, and it's still going. So there's a possibility that SPY could just, it could go on one of those runs, because right now, if you look, it gapped up first thing when it opened up. It's been to 688 already, and then it ran all the way down. Now that's a $4 move in the pre-market, so that's a lot of volatility. It's a lot of volatility. So it's already broken below those levels on the chart. So what I would recommend for today, whew boy, it's a good early morning. It's about 8:30. I would recommend, that you be very careful with the SPY today. That is a big range first thing in the morning right there in the pre-market. Pretty sure some news. Probably some earnings came out yesterday. I have to double check and see which earnings came out yesterday. Because usually that's what happens. So we'll see. We will see. So we will see. This should be an interesting day. Interesting day. But that's your power plays for today, man. If SPY can reclaim some of these levels, it's already broken below the 684 level. What you can be looking for after that 684.35, 683, and then 681.50. And I'll be very careful today. Like I said, that's a big move first thing this morning. But we'll see how the day play out, man. That's going to be your power plays for today. I'm almost lost for words here watching what's going on with the SPY, but we're going to play it and see what happens. Be careful, stay disciplined. If anything you see or hear on my videos and you like, share, subscribe, man, and do what we do, and let's get out behind it, man. But what I'm seeing right now with the SPY is already this morning, it's going to be a long day. We out.